My name is Robert Scaturo. I'm the owner here at Scaturo's Bacon Company and Cafe. And like for me, I mean, I grew up in an Italian family, and in Italian families, food is kind of the center of family communication. And I think that's the way I like to be perceived here. But a lot of people have told us that too. Like they like to come here. You can sit down, and you talk with your family, and the people that are serving you are the same people that were here last week. My son is serving people all the time. So it's just that, you're comfortable, you feel good, and you smile when you came in, and you're still smiling when you leave. The first item we're showing is a Quiche Lorraine, a classic quiche recipe. We do a wide variety of quiches every day. We sell them for breakfast and lunch, and then we also have whole quiches to go. We try to incorporate some of our bakery into our food dishes as well. This quiche has bacon, Swiss cheese, onions, and tomatoes. Then we serve it with a fruit bowl for breakfast and lunch. Southern omelet and our Billionaire Bacon. We make our own pulled pork, put that in an omelet with Bernard's 2-year aged white cheddar cheese, some of our homemade barbecue sauce, and Billionaire Bacon, but it's just Marchand's bacon, and we dust it with a little maple syrup, some spices, and a little brown sugar. It makes bacon even better, which I didn't think was possible. For our luncheon item, we have our roasted honey mustard chicken. We roast the chicken in-house. Basically, it's just whole chickens slathered with honey mustard. Then we serve it on our cherry walnut bread with lettuce and tomato, a little Swiss cheese. It's a light meal. It's great in the summertime. Get a little bit of that dark kind of cherry flavor to it as well. And our wedding soup, we've had this on the menu since the beginning. It's a classic Italian soup. Joanna and I's family both made it when we were growing up. The story behind the wedding soup is that there's tiny meatballs in there. It was served on the wedding night, and however many meatballs the wife got or the bride got in her bowl of soup was how many children you were supposed to have.